Ison's border surveillance operation system consists of raise and lower poles, rail robots, and robot image fences. The surveillance cameras installed on the raise and lower poles can monitor long distances and issue warning shots through the warning broadcast and impact system. In particular, the drone station enables charging and storage of drones. Drones are designed to confirm any detected abnormalities or perform reconnaissance missions before returning. In addition, they capture video footage of impact scenes, including warning shots, transmitting them to HQ. Fixed cameras are installed at regular intervals along the rail along the borderline, monitoring nearby areas, while robots move along the rail, providing medium-range mobile surveillance and continuous video monitoring. Ison's border surveillance system offers a new border monitoring solution to help operate conveniently and safely. We make the world easy and compatible. We protect against risks using technology. Ison, the leader in surveillance operation and solution.